So first of all, we should know clear difference between state of rest and state of motion. So what do you mean by state of rest? An object is said to be in state of rest when its position does not change with time and with respect to its surrounding. See, for example, this book is laying on table and this book is not changing its position, or book is moving here and there. No, book is not changing its position with respect to time. As time is passing, as time is passing, with the passing of time, this book is not changing its position with respect to time, plus with respect to surrounding also, book is on same place. So you can say that book is in a state of rest. Similarly, you can see this table also. This table is also not changing its position. This table is on same position, no? So table is also not changing its position with respect to time, with respect to surrounding. So this table is also in a state of rest. Then we are having this example of tree. This tree is also on the same position of ground. So that tree is also in a state of rest. So next we are having definition of state of motion. So what do you mean by state of motion? An object is said to be in state of motion if it changes its position with respect to time and surrounding. How? For example, this car is moving. So this car is changing its position. Firstly, this is on this place. Then afterwards it go near to house. Afterwards it go near to this trees and all. So this car is changing its position with respect to time, with respect to surrounding. So whenever any object changes its position, that object is said to be in a state of motion. Fine. So next we are having rest and motion are relative terms. What do you mean by relative terms? Relative term means rest and motion, they both are dependent on each other. How dependent on each other? See carefully. Rest and motion are relative terms because it depends upon observer's frame of reference. How it depends upon observer frame of reference? See by taking an example. For example, you and your friend, you both are sitting in a car. Okay, for example, you and your friend. For example, this is a car. You and your friend, you both are sitting in a car. Fine. Then according to your friend, this is you, this is your friend. According to your friend, you are in a state of rest because in car you are not moving here and there. In car you are sitting on one place. Fine. But your car is moving and the person who is standing outside the car, that person, what he will say? He will say that na, you are in motion because according to this person, you are changing your position with respect to time, with respect to surrounding. So according to this person, you are in motion. But according to your friend, which is sitting near to you, according to your friend, you are in a state of rest. So it all depends upon observer's frame of reference, that what observer is watching, that what observer is thinking. So according to this observer, you are in a motion, but according to this observer, you are in a state of rest. So state of rest and motion, they both are relative terms. See, for example, this is a car in which you are sitting. Then afterwards, one boy is standing near to your car. So according to this boy, you are in a state of motion. But whatsoever your friend is sitting inside the car, according to that friend, you are in a state of rest. So rest and motion, they both are relative terms. Relative term means they both depend upon observer's frame of reference. So here two observers are there. One observer is standing outside your car and one observer is sitting with you inside your car.